Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready for today's Read Aloud 2? You are not going to be able to see me while I'm doing this because I'm going to do something here on the table like I've done before. Today we're going to do some work with patterns. So if you remember, patterns are things that repeat themselves. This one, then this one, this one. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Patterns. So we are going to look at some patterns. So I'm going to start with our little cubes that we have in our class. So here's a green one. Then I have a red one. Then I'll put another green one. And then I'll put a red one. Now, which one's going to go right here? Which color? I've got green, red, green, red. What goes here? If you said green, you are correct. Green, red, green, red, green. And what would go here? If you said red, you are correct. It is a pattern that repeats itself. Green, red, green, red, green, red. You can even change the colors. Let's do blue. We've got blue, green, blue, green. And what would go here? If you said blue, you are correct. And what would go here? Green. It's easier when you say the pattern out loud or to yourself. Blue, green, blue, green, blue, green. It helps you to know what comes next. You can make patterns with all types of things that you might have around the house. This time I'm going to use a little candies here, the Starburst. So I've got pink, orange, pink, orange. Let's see if it'll stand. So what would come here? What would be here? If you said pink, you are correct. Pink, orange, pink, orange, pink. What would go here? If you said orange, you are correct. It repeats. I'll do one more thing just to give you an idea of something that you can use at home. These are coins. Coins. All right. We're going to look at coins here. I've got, I don't know if you can see that, but I've got quarter. Let's move the camera just a little bit. Quarter, penny, quarter, penny. Penny are these little brown coins, and quarter is a big one. So I've got quarter, penny, quarter, penny. What would go here? If you said quarter, you're correct. Quarter, penny, quarter, and penny. These are called A-B patterns because they use two different things. There are larger patterns and longer patterns, but this is an A-B pattern. It's a very simple one. You just use two different things. They can be different shapes, different colors, different sizes, different things, but they must repeat. Go over and over. So Miss Miller has attached a video about patterns for you, and I've also attached some activities for you about patterns. So what I want you to do is do those activities. If you are unable to print out those activities, I want to see you make a pattern of your own. You can draw it on a piece of paper, or you can do it at your house and send me a picture of it. So remember to post that on your Class Dojo portfolio, or you can send an email. Patterns. Thank you so much, everybody. See you tomorrow.